Hey Lopers! Welcome to the How to Start Your Housing Application video. We will show you how to fill out the UNK housing application. First, you need to go to the MyBlue login page, which can be found at myblue.nebraska.edu. Log in using your NUID number and password. Dual authenticate your login. Once logged in, locate and click on the Tools option. Now click on Campus Housing. This will take you to the Welcome page of the Campus Housing portal. Once you are on the Welcome page, you can click on Access Your Application or the Application tab at the top. This will take you to the Application menu. Click on the button for the term you wish to apply for, then click on the Save and Continue button. Once you're on the Begin Application page, click on Continue to move on to Step 2. Now you're in the Personal and Contact Details page. Most of the information you will see here will be automatically entered from your MyBlue account. If you see any blank detail lines, please fill in the information. Please note, you are required to provide a contact in case you are ever considered to be a missing person. If any of your information is incorrect, you can correct it in your MyBlue account. Please also make sure to list your personal cell phone number in the blank. Once you've filled in all the spaces, you can click on the Save and Continue button at the bottom. On the Profile and Lifestyle Questions section, please go through and answer the questions that best fit you as a student. With this information, you will be able to see other students who are similar to you. It is very important that the student fills out this section of the application, as we want to make sure that this is the best possible match for you. Once you've completed the questions, you may click on the Save and Continue button. On the Living Learning Community section, please indicate if you are interested in living in one of these communities. Click on the Save and Continue button once completed. Next step is the Hall Preferences section. Please list your top 3 housing locations. Click on the Save and Continue button once you have finished. On the Meal Plan section, please indicate which meal plan you are interested in. Hit Continue when you have finished. If you are a new incoming student, you will be redirected to a screen where you can make a payment of $50 housing fee. This is a one-time fee for everyone. On the Background section, there will be 2 questions. Please indicate your responses to both questions. If you mark yes to either question, the application will take you to a screen where you will have to upload a document explaining the circumstances. When you have answered the questions, click on the Save and Continue button. The next step of the housing application process is very important. On the Online Contract section, you will indicate that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions of the Residence Hall contract for the year. This is a legally binding document. It will also outline the consequences for breaking your housing contract. Once you have read the terms and conditions, check the box next to I agree. If you are under 19, your parent or legal guardian will be asked to enter their name as well. Now click on the Continue button to move on. You have now completed the first step in signing up for housing for the academic year. Once you reach this point, you will receive an email indicating when you will be able to go back into the application to search for roommates and to select your room.
Thanks for joining us, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.
Our phone number is 308-865-8519 or by email at housing@unk.edu.